come with me to take my first poop.
This is my first vlog. I'm Nando Miki. In these first few videos, there's gonna be older clips because I didn't know how to edit or upload. I might look different, my friends might look different, but it's still us, you know? And I'm gonna try to upload like every Wednesday. Or every other Wednesday. I'm forgetting. My name's Nando Miki. First vlog. Enjoy. But we're not.
What up, boy?
What's good, boy?
What's up? You still videotaping?
Yeah, what do you mean? I just started.
I feel like death. I took 3 dumps today, and I feel like I'm drunk again.
Dude, you guys seen the Bee movie, right?
Yeah.
In the Bee movie, the bee gets pissed and stings a dude, right? And then they put it on a stinger.
Yeah.
How large is this fucking bee?
Yeah, that is true. They used that same one, didn't they?
Yeah. You haven't seen the Bee movie?
You haven't seen the Bee movie?
That's like a low. It's like a low key like. It's got some motivational quotes in it.
Fucking horseshoe! And his arm.
Whoa, that's it. Not here.
Because he's in college.
It's all about the vlog.
It's all about the vlog.
No, seriously. Some girls like to hurt you.
Nickelback 2020, boys.
Oh yeah, what's up, boy?
Alexa recording
For YouTube?
Yeah, it's for YouTube.
What up, YouTube?
Fuck are you?
Check me out, ICOICEY space YOE for fucking music and gaming.
Description down in the link.
Look at they're doing a group Indian burn. A group Indian burn.
Have you ever done like a salt burn?
More than 100%. I just cut my tattoo the other day.
Aww, Nando.
My cat!
I want my grip strength even stronger.
I should have zoomed in on that. How do you zoom in?
You do it on
Oh, there you
I want my grip strength even stronger.
It's not working.
Not doing it. What are you doing?
Not the music. Kiss it.
Right.
JD, look! The circle of life.
I zoomed in on his wiener.
Why? I'm gonna go grab one of my beers.
Those kids are fading.
I love you. Drink some water. Oh, my battery dead. I'm Nando Miki.